Have a pleasant stay. Today's class is the business statistics and introduction. I'm Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. So, what is business? So, business is either an occupation or profession or a trade, or it's a commercial activity which involves providing goods or services in exchange for profits. Then we say it is about a business. So profit in business are not necessarily money. So some of the organizations they are not doing not for money. So it can be a benefit in any form which is acknowledged by a business entity involved in a business activity. So a business entity or an organization or other entity engaged in commercial, professional, charitable or industrial activities. It can be for a profit entity or non-profit entity. And then they may or may not have a separate existence from the people or person who are controlling it. So, the trust, charitable trust, then societies, different societies. So, they are doing the services not for profit. So, an business activity is a commercial activity which involves providing goods or services with a primary motive of earning profit. So, in this connection, we are going to study the statistics. So, you know what is the businesses. So, what is statistics? Here, we have to collect, analyze, and present the data in such a way and interpreting it to be a useful one. So the government needs for census data as well as information about a variety of economic activities provided much of the early impacts for the field of statistics. So here we in statistic we are going to turn the large amounts of data available in a many applied field and the two for useful information which has to be stimulated both theoretical and practical development in statistics. So this is about the definition which has been given by Bowley. So statistics are numerical statement of facts in any statement of inquiry placed to in relation to each other. So likewise, there are different definition which has been given by the different authors. So you can study to it and you can give an answer to the questions of definition of business statistics. And importance of statistics, let's see. So this is about an important field of study because its application in almost all walks of life. Wherever you go in day-to-day life, you may see this statistics. So it is an important branch of mathematics. It is from mathematics, and it is the analysis, interpretation, preservation, and presentation of data. So the role of statistics in business management is pivotal. That's why we are studying this business statistics. So it comes in handy, especially for rating organization, financial markets, financial organizations, etc. So this use of statistics in business and management are limitless. It means we can use it in any manner. So with the proper skill to implement the statistical method, if one knows how to implement uh, the management skills, then he could use this tool, statistical tool, to manage everything. So the manager can increase the production capacity of any plant, or he can find out the optimum production capacity or the efficient management of work and employee performance. Then through that they can limit the wastage of resources. So in business and industry, in the past days, the decisions regarding business were made only on personal judgments. Well, in olden days, they used to do on the personal judgments. But in those days, those business decisions are taken based on several mathematical and statistical techniques. And the best decision is arrived by using all these techniques. So even the most of the basis of statistics, when you learn like a mean, median, mode, then it can go a long way in the world of business. So finding the mean or average of a group of number is quite significant in case of a business. If you know only those things, you can easily go a long way. Business and industry in the same. So, for example, by using the testing hypothesis, we can reject or accept the null hypothesis, which are based on an assumption made from the population or universe. We are going to see what is this testing of hypothesis. Using the Bayesian decision theory or decision theory, we can select the optional decision for the direct evaluation of the payoff for each alternative course of action. So, in selecting the alternative course of action, so the process of business decisions include a selection of a single action among some set of alternative courses. So, different actions are there, alternatives are there. Out of that, best thing should be taken out by using this statistical tool. And two or more than two alternative course of action, then we need only one course of action. So, here the statistical theory, decision theory of Cashin, by applying the Bayesian decision theory, and thus saves a lot of time. Removing uncertainty. So, in case of a decision making problems, everyone how to make a decision because everything is uncertain. So, it's very common in a situation. So, when a course of action is not known to us. When there are many possible outcomes of an event, then we can't predict the certainty that what will happen in future. So, by applying the concept of joint unconditional probability, the uncertainty about the event can be removed very easily. So, probability you should know that. Then the management of performance, the importance of statistics in management is significant. So, with the help of statistics, a manager can analyze the performance and productivity of employees, like the units produced or whether the task is completed by the workers like. So, the manager can use the data in synth with the statistical technique to improve the productivity. Already we seen, and we can improve the productivity of the workforce and also multiply the production. Data collection, for everything the data collection is important. So, the data collected for the purpose of processing the statistical tool must be done in an ethical manner. That means it should be done in a proper manner, otherwise the result of the analysis will be false and it becomes non-beneficial. So, with the help of this data, the comparisons can be drawn if the actual sales were less or more than the projected sale or the future capital requirement for the fulfillment of huge order. So, we can do it everything with the help of data collection, but the data collection should be in a ethical manner. And research and development. So, the statistics extends to the market research as well as product development. So, this is one of the most important function of statistics. As a sample group is observed and their response is to predict the product test with the help of data collection. So, this data is essential in the determination of launch of new products and development of it. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned. We'll see until the next. It's bye from Srimati. Thank you.